Hi guys, in this week's post I'm going to talk about the JSON data interchange model. JSON is a syntax derived from JavaScript object notation, which is basically a subset of the JavaScript. So Jonathan in 2019 defines it as a schemaless, text-based representation of structured data that is based on key value pairs and ordered lists. So schemaless here means it does not have a predefined structure and type of the data to be stored, like is the case in relational databases, but it's rather self-describing. So this model is widely used to serialize and transfer data over a network connection, i.e. between the web server and a web application. So over the years, JSON has developed to become one of the most predominantly used formats for almost every publicly available web service and major private web services. I find this to be mainly attributable to the fact that JSON supports many databases. It supports relational databases like the PostgreSQL and MySQL, as well as NoSQL databases like MongoDB and the Neo4j. Its data formats like strings, numbers, booleans, lists, and objects are used in most common programming languages, making it a good choice for data transmission across platforms experiencing language gaps. Another reason could be its readability. Jonathan in 2019 continues to write, and I quote, JSON data is stored in files that end with the .json extension. In keeping with JSON's human readable ethos, these are simply plain text files and can be easily opened and examined. This is also key to JSON's wider interoperability, as just about every language you can name can read and process plain text files, and they're easy to send over the internet. End of quote. Lastly, I can say that the fact that JSON is faster than other models like the XML also contributes to its popularity among developers. This is made possible by the strong JSON server parsing capabilities. It uses less data and allows for easy manipulation of libraries to transform data into application readable formats. So a good example of a public data source that uses JSON is the WHO, which is the World Health Organization open data repository. Sorry. The WHO maintains this to keep track of health specific statistics of its member states. The public can access data classified under theme, category, country, and indicator, and is downloadable in Excel format. Statistics on communicable and non-communicable diseases, epidemic prone diseases, environmental health, among others, is easily obtained from their website. So that's all I had for today. Thank you guys for watching.